Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Allahumma rabbi zidni ilma. Sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Ameen. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. An important advice: we should be good to everyone. Binomial theorem. When there is a positive sign between the terms, then all signs are positive. And this expansion can be expanded in this way: 1 plus n upon 1 factorial, second term to the power 1, plus n minus 1 upon 2 factorial, second term to the power 2, plus n minus 1 n minus 2 upon 3 factorial, second term to the power 3, and so on. And this expansion is valid for these values of x. And I already have explained this thing in detail in my last lecture of binomial. When there is a negative sign between the terms, then signs are alternate: plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. And this expansion can be expanded in this way: 1 minus n upon 1 factorial, second term to the power 1, plus n minus 1 upon 2 factorial, second term to the power 2, minus n minus 1 n minus 2 upon 3 factorial, second term to the power 3, and so on. And this expansion is valid for these values of x. Both expansions are valid for these values of x. Example question. This question is from November 20, paper 3-2. Expand 1 plus 6x cube root in ascending powers of x up to and including the term in x cube, simplifying the coefficients. So we will use this first result to expand 1 plus 6x cube root. So 1 plus 6x whole power 1 upon 3. So 1 plus n upon 1 factorial, second term power 1. Then n minus 1, 1 upon 3 minus 1 is minus 2 upon 3 upon 2 factorial, second term to the power 2. Then n minus 1 is minus 2 upon 3, n minus 2, 1 upon 3 minus 2, it's minus 5 upon 3. So minus 5 upon 3 over 3 factorial, 6x power 3. That's it. Now we need to simplify this. 1 upon 3 6x. So this will become 2x. 1 upon 3 minus 2 upon 3 2. So minus 2 upon minus 2 upon 9 times 2 factorial will become 2 times 36x square. Then we have 1 upon 3, 2 upon 3, 5 upon 3. So this will become plus 10 upon 27 times 3 factorial is 6, and 6 cube is 216. So 1 plus 2x. Now we need to cancel this 2 with this 2, and 9 for the 36. So minus 4x square plus, let me check this result. This is 40 upon 3. That's it. And this is in ascending powers of x. Ascending means small to big. Constant 1, 2, 3. Now the last part of this question is state the set of values of x for which the expansion is valid. For that we need to use x less than 1. This is I already have explained in my last lecture of binomial. So watch that lecture completely to understand this concept in detail. Now the second term is 6x. For this part we use this result. The expansion is valid for these values of x, and then replace x by second term of the expansion, which is 6x. Now solve this inequality for modulus x. So bring 6 outside the modulus, and modulus x is less than 1 upon 6. So this expansion is valid for these values of x. Well, I will explain this question in my next lecture. Good luck and Allah Hafiz.